Actually, I didn't have so many reflections once I have the offer of Maribor. I feel really very excited and very proud to be the coach of this club. This is the most successful club in Slovenia, and I really don't see the time to make the first training with the team, with my players, to meet them and start the new season. I have started my coaching career since I am 19, 20 years old, and I have had the experience of as assistant coach in the first teams, then some youth clubs, and then finally last year also with the senior club as head coach. I think this experience also in domestic and internationally make me grow up a lot, and now I have my total focus and concentration to bring the glory and success to Maribor. I think that this experience in Austria can help me to adapt quickly as possible to Slovenia, because it's a very close country. But more than the neighbor countries, I can tell that my experiences with Roma and Galatasaraya are important, because these are both clubs that only aim for winning, which here in Maribor we have the same mentality. This club is a winner club, and I come here to win the titles, trophies. For sure this season we will give our best effort on the pitch to win the league, and of course also the cup. Of course, I have watched the games of the last season. I have analyzed the games of last season, but I don't want to have any prejudgment. I want to see my players on Friday in the pitch, to have my own experiences with them lively on the pitch. Of course, I have in my back some ideas and some information that I also collected before coming here, but this is a work that you don't live with the past. I want to see the effort of my players on the training ground. I can promise this to the all fans, that my players will give our all effort, their best work and sweat on the pitch for every training and then every single game. This should be the main focus to win. So we want to, as I told again, we want to aim and arrive to our targets, which is winning the league and as well, of course, the cup. And to do this, we should give our best every day. Of course, you should work hard, and next to this, as a football wise, we want to have an offensive style. In my episodes when I was the assistant coach, I learned a lot from these top level coaches. But in my Roma period, I had the opportunity to work very closely with Jose Mourinho, which is the really important and special person for me, and I learned a lot from him, both communication way and both also how to win the games and the titles. But from all of these coach, football wise, tactically, technically and mentally, they give me important strengths. At the end of the day, I am Tanrivermiş. I have my name, and it is not a job to copy and paste. You have to have your identity and personality to do it. So of course I have a big respect, and I am very thankful for these top coaches, but I am having my own path.